Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can unpin someone on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access your Snapchat on your mobile phone. Now right over here you can see there's a chat icon beside your camera icon. Simply tap on it. Now you will be able to find all of the friends of yours and the chat whatsoever. If you would like to simply unpin someone, first let's go ahead, tap on a particular user, and once you have done so, tap on this pin as your BFF aka on top, tap on it, and now we're simply gonna go ahead and we have simply so we simply have to purchase the plan of Snapchat if you would like to access the pinning service. So we're simply gonna go ahead, get it if you want, otherwise we're simply gonna go back, and that is how we're gonna pin. So by simply getting the plan and tapping on this pin as you're on top, you will be able to pin that conversation or that person. If you would like to unpin, all you have to do is simply again long press on them, and now you will find unpin conversation option. All you have to do is tap on it and they will automatically be unpinned from your conversation in Snapchat likewise. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.